My name's Lydia. This is Nuki. And we're here today to go through what Sun Salutations are. We might have heard of the Sanskrit term Surya Namaskar, A and B. And the Sun Salutations are basically a full body workout or a full body movement. And as the term suggests, we are saluting the sun. So we're going to be here to take you through those key asanas and postures that make up the Sun Salutation sequence.
Inhale, sweep the arms up and gaze towards your thumbs. Exhale, fold the belly on the thighs. Feel free to bend the knees if you need to. Inhale, lengthen up, come up onto the fingertips. Place the hands down, step or lightly spring back. First round, perhaps drop the knees, the chest, and the chin. Make sure the elbows are close to the waistline. Coming up to your cobra, shoulder blades together. Tuck the toes, pushing back into your downward facing dog. If the hamstrings feel a little tight here, you're more than welcome to pedal out the feet as you draw one heel down, lift the other heel up. It's a good way to start to lengthen the hamstrings one little breath at a time. You can also bend and extend the knees simultaneously as you lengthen the hamstrings here. Bend the knees, step or lightly spring to the front. Inhale, coming up halfway. Exhale, fold the belly on the thighs. Inhale, sweep the arms up as you gaze towards your thumbs. And exhale, hands to the heart center. Inhale, sweeping the arms up again. Exhale, folding to Uttanasana. Inhale to your Ardha Uttanasana. Place the palms down, step or float back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Look forwards here as you lower the elbows down. Urdhva Mukha, lifting up, broaden through the shoulders. And exhale to Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. You can take about 3 to 5 deep breaths here, making sure that your inhalation breaths and your exhalation breaths are nice and long, consistent here. Bend the knees, step or float to the front. Inhale, lift the chest halfway, and exhale, fold back to Uttanasana. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana, gazing up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Sun B. Inhale, sink back to your chair pose, gaze up to the thumbs. Exhale, fold, belly on thighs. Inhale, rising up, gazing halfway. Palms down, step or float back to plank pose, lower through Vinyasa of your choice. Inhale, taking it up to Cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, tuck the toes, downward facing dog. One inhale breath, your right foot steps between the hands, lower the back knee, gaze up to the thumbs, Warrior One. Lower the palms down, step it back to plank, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. One inhale breath, left foot forwards to Warrior One. Lower the palms down, step back, plank, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, shift the weight back, 3 to 5 breaths in your downward facing dog. Think about your hamstrings, the calves and the heels being pulled backwards in space. Lift the seat and continue to breathe. Bend the knees, step or hop to the front. Lengthen spine, inhale and fold on the exhale. Inhale, sink the glutes, chair pose. Exhale, stand up tall, Tadasana.
Thank you so much for joining me in today's class. We both had a wonderful time with you. And if you're enjoying the videos, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Take care, everyone!